नमस्ते फ्रेंड। आई एक्सपेक्ट कि you are good and everything is going well and good and perfect into your life, and so you are welcome in this new part basically, uh, and always थिंक बेसिकली गुड एंड फोकस। अपना जो माइंडसेट है, अपना जो ध्यान है वो सही चीज़ों पे लगाना चाहिए, तो यू विल सी गुड रिजल्ट इनटू योर लाइफ। एंड बिकॉज नो दैट कि यू आर व्हेन यू आर स्पीकिंग, तो यू आर नॉट अलोन बेसिकली, यू someone is listening to you basically. Basically you can call it higher power or god or basically whatever it is, but it is listening to us. So whatever we are, that's why we have to taking care, हमको ध्यान रखना होता है कि क्या हम बोल रहे हैं, क्या हम सोच रहे हैं, बिकॉज होगा क्या कि इसका रिजल्ट हमको मिलता है, आइदर पॉजिटिवली मिलता है या नेगेटिवली मिलता है। ये डिपेंड करता है कि हम किस तरीके से सोच रहे हैं बेसिकली। अंडरस्टूड? सो इफ यू थिंक गुड, you will get good result, and if you think not good, you will get not good result. It is very simple, and if you understand it deeply, so your life will become good, and it is up to you basically ki what you have to think and how you have to think, and the whole game is mindset. Basically the whole game is of mindset ki what the individual person is basically thinking, and what he is because whatever जो भी आप सोच रहे हो ना, you are manifesting into your life, and on this planet, and in the life of everybody basically. That's why, and so you have to, from now you know all these things, so you have to take care and of your mindset and your thing. Watch your thought basically, what is going on inside your mind basically, what kind of thought you are thinking, and either it is good or either it is not good. What you are speaking basically, whether it is good or whether it is not good, because it is everything is related. What inside you basically in your mind is happening, it is reflected in your outer world basically, in material world में आपको manifest होते दिखेगा। ये बहुत मतलब सिंपल है, एज विथिन सो विदाउट, विथिन और विदाउट बेसिकली वन एक ही है। कोई मतलब वी आर लिविंग बेसिकली ऑन द प्लैनेट वेयर everything is one. It is, there is no separateness basically. अगर मैं हायर लेवल से बात करूँ या हायर लेवल की अंडरस्टैंडिंग की बात करूँ, तो अगर आप ध्यान से चीज़ों को समझोगे, ध्यान से इफ़ यू अंडरस्टैंड, इफ़ यू रीड दिस, तो ध्यान से अगर देखोगे तो आपको these all things will you will understood all these things. So basically point है कि there is no separateness, but हम क्या करते हैं कि we have created a separate identity, like we all are different human, but in reality की अगर मैं बात करूँ तो we are not different, we all are one basically, we all are one source, one spirit, one power, whatever you call, but we have create our own concept in our own mind. Similar way, other people have created their own concept in their mind. So we have live in concepts basically in mental. These concepts only exist in our own mind basically. For example, my concept is exist in my own mind. Your concept, if you have created, it is exist in your own mind. And similar way, other people also have created concept which is exist in their own mind, and it is reflected in the outer material world. Basically on their body, on their circumstance, on their environment, and so it is manifest. So we are living in concepts basically, but these concepts are not life. These concepts are not a reality. So if you want to if you want to know reality, if you want to know life, if you want to know what truth is, so you have to come out from this concept. You have to break all these concepts. Basically, you have to break all these concepts. You have to go beyond these concepts. So that's why you have to work very hard. You have to go inside your mind basically and watch what kind of concept you are what running inside your brain, and what are you thinking basically, and what is going on. So then you will understood, and then you will understood yourself. Then you will understood the other human being, how humans are operating, and then you will understood yourself, you will understood me, you will understood everyone. So तो आपको समझ आएगा कि सब एक जैसे ही काम कर रहे हैं, बस देर आर नो अदर, देर आर नो डिफरेंट ह्यूमंस, देर आर वन ह्यूमन ओनली। इफ यू अंडरस्टूड, अगर आपको समझ आएगा हायर लेवल से, सो जो आप हो वही सामने दिख रहा है। अगर आपको ये समझ आ गया तो यू विल रियलाइज only you exist, but for that you have to vibrate at a higher frequency. If you are vibrating at lower frequency, या your जो influence है basically is not high, तो some other person will influence you indirectly, direct not, but indirectly, because he has power in their hand and you don't have power. And if you need power, if you want powerful, if you want to become powerful person, so who is powerful person basically, and how per human being become powerful? He become powerful not because he is surrounded with human, that there is no power. Human being become powerful when he is highly supported by God. He is highly protected by God basically, and he is highly, means God is with him every second, every minute basically. He live with God basically, he sleep with God, live with God. He born with God. Now if he die, he will die with God basically. So he die means God die, and he are living means God is living on the planet. He is walking like God is walking on the planet, but nobody knows all these things. So if nobody knows, who will tell you all these things? Nobody. So the person who knows all these things, he will rarely meet, you will rarely meet these kind of people, and he will rarely tell you. And why the person will tell you if you don't ask questions to that person? Because हमारे माइंड में कंसेप्ट ये भी क्या होता है कि मैं सब कुछ, आई नो एवरीथिंग. तो इफ दिस कंसेप्ट इज ऑपरेटिंग इन योर माइंड, तो क्या होगा? आप you will not question, you will not raise any questions, you will not ask right questions. So if you don't ask right questions, you will not get right answer basically from whatever right people, from right source, and from the right thing. So for that you have to clean your clean your mind. Yeah, watch your mind. Yeah, watch your thought basically very carefully. Whatever what is going on inside, and and how you are thinking, and that's why I am telling you all these things. So uh, I am talking about the power. If you want to become powerful, so it is not the power in the hand of government. It is not power. The person who is powerful, who is supported by basically God, basically, and how you get the support of God. गॉड सपोर्ट करता है उस इंसान को उस इंसान को जो who loves God, and God loves him, and loves God means uh, he that person loves whole humanity. He loves basically, if you know about Jesus, he is the person. He tell his understanding is very good about life and about everything. So he tell ki love your enemies basically. So don't love your enemies means, or love your God or whatever. So love your enemies means don't hate anybody. So the person, if you can make yourself like that, ki don't hate anybody, don't hate any human, then don't hate means don't hate anything basically. Anything means anything, whether it's money, whether it's thing, whether it's people, whether it's whatever, yourself. Don't hate yourself also. When life is not going well, or when life is not going good, and don't hate anything basically. If you want to know, then, and many more basically pattern or many more concept you have to break to become a good human basically, and then you will come to realize this point ki, making human in a form of God is possible, and it is living reality for some people. So hope you are getting all this point, and hope you are interesting, yeah, and you are understanding. I am putting very simple to you, and hope you understood all these things, and in a very peaceful way I am talking to you. So that's all for today, and hope I will come with a great understanding and deep knowledge in the later next part, and you will get good knowledge, and so take care of yourself and your family and your life, and hope God is with you and support you.